Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making an amazing, healthy spinach and parsley pesto to accompany your pasta. Let's get started. In a mixer of your choice, add 2 cups of coarsely chopped parsley and 2 cups of coarsely chopped spinach. Parsley is a powerful antioxidant, and spinach helps you maintain a healthy pH balance. It is also high in iron, B6, and vitamin K. Mix them together. Now add 1 cup of chopped arugula, which is high in fiber and antioxidants. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Juice from 1 lemon. A few pickled capers. 1 chopped tomato. And 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now mix well. It's now time to add 1/4 of a cup of almonds and a 1/2 cup of zero-fat Greek yogurt. Mix well until you get a nice thick paste. Season the paste with salt and pepper and mix. Finish the pesto by mixing 3 cloves of garlic. Our last touch is to add the juice of 2 limes to give the pesto a refreshing kick. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.